Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be talking about unexpected clauses in marriage contracts. Antenuptial contracts can generally contain any provision that the couple wishes. However, the provision may not be contra bonos mores, which means against the good morals of the public, contrary to nature, reason, public policy, prohibited by law, or the court's authority. These kind of clauses will be rendered null and void. In ANC, clauses cannot be unreasonable, against public policy, or unlawful. Unreasonable clauses can be seen by the following. 1. Preventing a spouse from working. 2. Making a spouse live in an area he or she does not wish to. 3. Making marriage disputes subject to arbitration. 4. Force a spouse to adopt a religion of the other spouse. 5. Declaring that the other parties will not live together as husband and wife after the marriage. 6. Following the divorce, neither spouse shall have the right to ask for an order of forfeiture or a share of others' estate. The second is against public policy. Clauses which compel the change of religion, gender, race, or prohibit any association, or a clause allowing the parties to commit adultery. The third is unlawful clauses, where a spouse is allowed or compelled to commit a crime by clauses in the marriage contract. Discouragement of infidelity by a clause. In an ANC, can a clause be included to deter a husband and wife from having an extramarital affair in the future? According to a similar case, this clause must be interpreted in the context. If the parties were divorced before because of extramarital affairs, an example would be, should a spouse be the cause of future divorce through an extramarital relationship, he will donate the obligation on husband or wife to give the wife or husband a fixed asset, pay her cash, etc. As a case of preserving the marriage by discouraging the spouse from continuing an extramarital affair, the court will enforce this clause. Thank you for joining us today on this video for unexpected clauses in a marriage contract.